Hello, good morning, Namaskar. Today I am going to present a video on technique of repertorization. In previous video you see about method of repertorization. Today technique of repertorization. So what are the different technique used for repertorization we see today in this video. Different method used for repertorization, in which thumb finger method, plain paper method, repertory sheet method, auto visual method, and card method and computerized method. These are the different technique which is used in daily practice or for process of repertorization. So thumb finger method, this method is made for the preference for one who has more experience with the repertory. Example, Dr. Kent's repertory. In this condition, physician think about 2 or 3 symptoms on which he make a prescription. So he search first rubric and see the different prominent medicine and correlate with the second and third rubric. Those medicine carry highest mark, that medicine is simillimum for that case. So this method is depends upon ability of the individual physician and knowledge of materia medica and allied aspect. Plain paper method. It is the most tedious method and requires much more time than any other method, because in this process we take a plain paper, write the name of the rubric, and each rubric contains medicine, that is name of the medicine also written by physician himself, and after all symptoms or rubrics who bears highest medicine, after calculation that medicine is for simillimum for that case. It requires much more time. A repertory sheet method. A repertory sheet method, in this condition we take a prepared ready-made repertory sheet in which we write the name of the rubric with page number, and in each medicine that particular rubric contains medicine in what grade, that also be written, and after totality of the number of the medicine after addition, highest marks bearer may be think for the prescription or simillimum, but it also depends upon the nature of the disease, may be acute exacerbation or acute worst condition in chronic case, or chronic medicine in acute case. It depends upon the case and on the nature of the chief complaint. Card repertory. Card repertory previously used before the launching of the computer or use of the computer. Different card repertory available in market. This card repertory According to description in this slide, you see a card repertory in which different holes and card number present. So process of use of card depends upon individual philosophy as like general repertory. In this slide you see a card which contains, each card has 80 vertical columns of number at the bottom as 1, 2, 3 to 80 from left to right. The number 1 to 80 also appear on the top at the second line. Above downwards, each column contains 0 to 9 number, and after total, adding the total rubric in sequence, a single hole if transmit light from one side to other side is the most simillimum medicine. Next is Dr. Patel's auto-visual repertory. It is a mechanical device. Practically no paperwork is required. It is all automatic. Marks are denoted by 3 different colors and visual throughout repertory work. You can read medicine which come automatically. The auto-visual repertory consists of 5,505 auto strips and auto-visual apparatus having 435 medicine on numerical order from above downward. Then computer aided method. It is the quickest and advanced method requiring only about 5 minutes to solve the case. The computer repertory has revolutionized the way we assess the movement database of homeopathic literature. This is the final appearance of a case repertorized after the help of computer repertory. History of homeopathic software or different software in market. 1979 Lee Repertories D. Kent Melanie. 1986 Mac Repertory. 1986 Homepath Dr. Jawahar Shah. 1987 Radar. 1988 Kara. 1994 Polycresta. Today different software available in market with different qualities like medicine filter, medicine according to group, case taking format, case management system including hospital management and other modern technology. So if we study different techniques of the repertorization in which thumb finger method, plain paper method, repertory sheet method, card method, auto visual repertory and computer repertory. These are the basic process or technique which is used for repertorization. Each and every technique used by individual according to their case, need, requirement. But at present time, 2 methods generally used, paper sheet method and computer method. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.